Okay, for your editorial assignment, the biggest thing I've noticed in the past that students do is that they forget to write about the flaws of the articles, and then they forget to talk about how the Constitution addressed those flaws. So you need to write about both. You need to show me that you understand what the Articles of Confederation were, and you explain some basic weaknesses of the articles and why our founders even meant to rectify the Articles of Confederation. And then you need to explain how the Constitution addressed these weaknesses and why people should be for the Constitution. So you're trying to convince them that the Constitution is better. So you need specific reasons why the Constitution is better. And you're going to want to use Chapter 2, Sections 2 and 3 for additional help. If you look in this section of the textbook, there's literally a chart that says weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation, and then it explains exactly how those weaknesses were addressed with the Constitution. So you're pretending it is 1787. So you're pretending it is when the founders are meeting, that the Constitution has not been passed yet. You're not pretending it's current day. You're pretending you were there at that meeting, that you are a Federalist fighting for the Constitution to be passed. So if you look in your textbook, Chapter 2, Section 2, as you can see, this is where it talks about the Articles of Confederation. Here's all the information about the Articles of Confederation. So this section of the textbook explains to you what the articles were, and then here is all the weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation. It even has a little section called Quick Facts, and then Section 3 talks about the Constitution, and it talks about how the Constitution came to be. And then right here is that chart I was talking about. Here's Quick Facts. It talks about the strengths of the Constitution and the weaknesses of the article. So make sure you type up your editorial, download it as a PDF, and then submit it as an attachment to Blackboard. I hope that helps.